friends, in this video we will visualize the types of chemical reactions. Chemical reactions can be divided into 5 important types. In this video we could look at each of these types and their examples. First, let's start with first reaction, combination reaction. In combination reaction, two or more substances combine to form one single substance. Let's say we have two substances A and B and they combine to form one product AB. This is a combination reaction. In combination reaction, we have two or more reactants but only one product. Now let's look at some examples. We have hydrogen and oxygen, and when they combine we get water. This is a word equation. Now let it write as chemical equation. So we have H2 plus O2 giving us H2O. Note that the product is not a simple join of the formula of reactants. So it's not H2O2, it's H2O because elements combine according to their valency. Now here the equation is unbalanced. So let's go ahead and balance it. It is 2H2 plus O2 giving us 2H2O. Let's look at next reaction, decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction are opposite of combination reaction. In this, one compound breaks into two or more simpler substances. Let's say we have substance AB and it breaks it down into two substances A and B. This is a decomposition reaction. In decomposition reaction, we have two or more products but remember only one reactant. Now let's look at some examples. We have water and when we pass electric current, it breaks into hydrogen and oxygen. This is known as electrolysis. Let's look at next reaction, displacement reaction. In displacement reaction, the more active element displaces less active element. So let's say we have element A and compound BC. A is more reactive, so it is going to displace B and combine with C. Now B is alone, so we have AC plus B. This is a deep displacement reaction. Now let's look at some examples. We have zinc and hydrochloric acid. Zinc is more reactive than hydrogen. It can displace, so we get zinc chloride and hydrogen. Let's look at next reaction, double displacement reaction. In double displacement reaction, two compounds react with each other and exchange their ions to form two new compounds. Let's say we have two compounds AB and CD. There is exchange of ions and we get two new compounds CB and AD. Let's look at some examples. We have silver nitrate and sodium chloride. We get sodium nitrate and silver chloride. Let's look at next and final reaction, redox. Redox stands for reduction and oxidation. Oxidation means addition of oxygen and reduction means addition of hydrogen. Let's look difference between oxidation and reduction. Oxidation can be defined as addition of oxygen and reduction addition of hydrogen. Oxidation can also be defined as removal of hydrogen and in reduction removal of oxygen. We can also expand it to addition of non-metal or electronegative element. Similarly, reduction, addition of metal or electropositive element. Now we can define oxidation as removal of metal or electropositive element, and similarly reduction, removal of non-metal or electronegative element. Oxidation can also be defined as loss of electrons and reduction, gain of electrons. Let's look at some examples. We have copper oxide and hydrogen. When they react, we get copper and water. Here copper oxide is reduced and hydrogen is getting oxidized. These are the some key points of all of the chemical reactions. Combination, only one product. Decomposition, only one reactant. And in displacement, more active element displaces less active element. Double displacement reaction, exchange of ions. And in redox, reduction and oxidation. So friends, I hope you liked my video and thanks for watching my video.